Hello everybody, my name is Cryptodesh and today I will showcase the Metamon Island game. So yeah guys, this game is very easy, this game is very simple, and this game is very fun to play. I very much enjoy and do like the music a lot, and that's a big part of the game guys, the music. Besides that, I also like the gameplay and the visual features. So yeah, let's get started. How do we enter the Metamon Island game? So we are gonna press the enter button right here. Now we can connect our wallet. We can either use MetaMask wallet or the wallet connect. If you don't have MetaMask, you can use wallet connect. But if you do have MetaMask, you can just press the MetaMask button. Once you've pressed on the MetaMask button, you have to press on the sign in button. So I'm pressing on the sign button, and after that I have successfully logged into the Metamon game. So yeah, first of all, I can see my Metamon. So I got this is my Metamon. And here, my Metamon tabs, I can share. I have multiple Metamons, as you guys can see. I have the yellow one, I have the blue one. And if I want to select the yellow one, I have to go to the accept challenge button right here. After I've done that, I've successfully selected this Metamon. So this is how you switch and how you view your Metamons. As you can also see, my stats for every Metamon are different. So my size with this Metamon is 103, and with a blue Metamon it's 100. So I'm going back to the blue Metamon right here, so you can see I can successfully switch either way. So both from yellow to blue and from blue to yellow. So yeah, you can see my Metamon has been changed. So how do we battle in this game? It's very simple, it's very easy. You just press the battle button right here. After you have done that, you will go to the elementary battlefield. If you have higher level Metamons, you can go to the intermediate battlefield or even to the advanced battlefield. So that's it sounds very cool. But right now I'm starting at the elementary battlefield. After I've done that, I can choose a opponent right here. I can either choose from a AR Metamon to a SR Metamon or a normal Metamon right here. So I'm just gonna choose someone random. I like him, so I'm gonna press on this guy, and I'll press the confirm button. You also need to confirm in your MetaMask, so you have to confirm in the game and in your MetaMask wallet. After you have done that, it's gonna load, and you'll go right into the battle. I do like the music because this music is very cool. As you can see right now, I'm in the battle, and I just one-shotted my opponent. After winning, we get a specific set of rewards. We get 5 EXP and 60 Metamon fragments. So every time you win, you get 5 EXP and 60 Metamon fragments. Once you've obtained enough fragments, you can mint your egg, you can mint your NFT. How do you mint your NFT? So first of all, you go to your backpack. Your backpack is located right here. After you press on your backpack, you have to at least have 1000 Metamon fragments. Once you have these 1000 Metamon fragments, you can mint your egg. So right now I have 1080 Metamon fragments, so I'll mint my egg right now. I'll press the mint button right here. After I've done that, I have to press the confirm button. And I also have to confirm in the MetaMask app. After that, it just says loading. I just have to wait a little bit to get your NFT rewards. As you can see, it's instant. And the big difference is, look, this is just a Metamon fragment. It doesn't say NFT, and here it says NFT, so it's very obvious it's an NFT. So this is the Metamon egg. You can open the Metamon egg, or you can sell it directly on the marketplace. In this showcase, I will open the Metamon egg. So how do you open the Metamon egg? It's very easy, you just have to press the open button right here. So ways to obtain this, you have to mint 1000, or you have to get 1000 of the Metamon fragments, and then you can mint one egg. So yes, I'm gonna open it right now. You press on the open button, and you press on the confirm. You will also confirm in your MetaMask again. After you have done that, you have to wait a little bit, and then you get your NFT rewards. Of course, I'm hoping for the Metamons. I get 2 potions, that's very nice. Also, then I can level my Metamons, that's even better. So how do we use these potions, right? Now we have these potions. I got my Metamon level 1, but I want to level up my Metamon. How do I do that? So it's very easy. So first of all, you press the Metamon button right here, and then you will see that you can level up your Metamon once you have reached 100 EXP. I have reached 100 EXP with this Metamon, so I'll press the level up button right here, because you have to have 1 potion and you have to have 100 EXP. I have 4 potions and I also have 100 EXP, so I will press the level up button right here. And if I want to do this, I have to consume 1 potion, and yes, I will press the confirm button. After I've done that, I will also confirm in my Metamons wallet, and after a little bit of time, we should see level 2. As you can see, level up successfully, and right now I am level 2, as you can see. This Metamon right here is level 2. This was the demo. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a nice day.